What is going on, Turbo family? I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, guys. We are almost done with September. It's September 29th. Tomorrow is the official last day of, some people like to call it Rectember. Now, listen, guys, October, right around the corner. Things are going to be bullish in that month. Usually that's what we see. And for Turbo, in Turbo's case, guys, we're going to be talking about what we could potentially see this thing going to in the latter half of 2025. Q4 of 2025, and that is what gets me excited. I think behind the scenes that there is a lot of bullish narratives being speculated right now, a lot of big institutions buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I feel like as the average retail investors, you guys don't know what's coming next. So if you guys are new, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. If you're new around here, all I ask is that you guys subscribe, you hit the bell notification, and you like this video so that YouTube pushes it out to more people on the algorithm, because trust me, a lot of retail investors have left the market, and if you're here right now, you deserve a pat on the back. Listen, let's get right into today's video. We start off obviously taking a look at Turbo on CoinMarketCap. One thing to obviously note, guys, community sentiment, right? 90% bullish. Now, one thing I do want to clarify is this is not something that's done every single day, which I'm fairly sure it's not something that happens every day. I think this is just something that's like a one and done thing. Now, let's take a look at what the CoinMarketCap community is saying about Turbo here. Turbo just wiped out scary people. The real holder deserves Turbo pump. The price is likely targeting the support zone as long as it remains below 2038. Downside pressure stays intact with the 100% fib extension at 2003 serving as the ideal wave C target. Now, we haven't exactly gotten down to that level of 203 yet, and I'm hoping we don't. I feel like we're more or less holding the line because we are at a Fibonacci level right now, guys, which is why, I think it's a fairly good opportunity to buy into Turbo. You always hear the saying, buy the fear, sell the greed. But whenever it comes time to that, when it boils down to it, guys, when you're put in that situation, you never really do it. It's literally, crypto is literally as easy as saying buy the fear and sell the greed. Buy low, sell high. But when prices are low, it's the sentiment around projects, the sentiment around crypto as a whole, the sentiment around the economy just isn't the best. And when it comes to sell the greed, the sentiment around crypto during that time is just way too optimistic, way too bullish, and it makes you FOMO. It makes you think that we're going to go a lot higher than we really are, right? So just keep those two things in the back of your mind, and I promise you guys, you will make it in this crypto space, right? Now, Turbo had a cheeky little pump today, up 4.23%, almost wiping away all the losses that we had within the last week. But in the monthly, guys, down 10%. If we take a look at market cap today is sitting at 244 million, volume up 80%, sitting at 20 million, which is about 10% of the overall market cap. So some cheeky liquidity coming into the markets there. Market cap of overall crypto almost back at $4 trillion, which again is a very good sign. Almost getting back up to that whole number, guys. I think holding above 4 trillion is going to be very, very important. Fear and greed index as well, sitting at 39, which is a very good sign. And again, guys, one thing that I was saying to my community, my private Discord, is when we're given opportunities like this, when we're given pullbacks in the market, that is when you want to be accumulating. And if you guys haven't been accumulating, that is probably because you guys don't have the right people on your side, which is why I emphasize the importance of being a part of a community, guys. This is my private Discord, okay? The #1 meme coin group, in my humble opinion. I mean, you guys, we got featured on Times Square as well. We were on a billboard there, which is pretty crazy. You get access to my buy and sell calls. Okay, you get a full course, which is perfect for beginners and experts in the space. And we teach you guys how to maximize your profits in this crypto space while also minimizing losses. Okay, I don't think it really gets any better than that. Also, you get to be a part of a large active community of traders who are all literally after the same exact goal, guys, that you are, that I am, right? We want to be financially free. We want that time, location, mental, and financial freedom. And if that's what you're after, you want to surround yourself with people who are all after that same exact goal. So join the Discord, be a part of it, be active, because I'm telling you, you are going to get some sauce in there that you will not find when you are trying to navigate these markets yourself, okay? Turbo, again, join the revolution, guys. Literally, when you click this button here, it takes you to all the different exchange listings. Now, I don't know about you guys, but you tell me what other meme coin, what other project has all these exchange listings, right? Over 130. Literally, the only thing I could think of right now that we don't have is what is it? I think it's I'm not sure if it's Bybit. I don't know. Who cares about Bybit? I think it's a Robinhood listing. Okay. Now, to get a Robinhood listing is super, super hard, guys, because of all the regulatory like compliance issues, and kind of hoops and boundaries that you have to get like past in order to get listed there, because it is primarily like a stock brokerage. So it is going to be hard to get listed on there. I don't think it's going to be impossible, guys. We already have a couple plays on Robinhood, and I don't honestly believe that, as soon as Turbo gets listed on Robinhood, it's going to go to $3 billion. I don't think that's going to happen. We need the overall market to correct itself, and then we will see how high it could go after that. And this is what I was talking about, guys. Right now we are sitting at that Fibonacci level, right? You can see here, I just zoomed in. There's a support area there as well. There's a Fibonacci level there as well. And this is the great time. Obviously not financial advice, but we touched it in July, right? Back in July, we touched it here, rose up 100%. The most recent time in September, we touched it up 30%. Again, here, guys, when we broke out in April, we had another massive rally of 90%. And obviously, the biggest one is back in September of 2024, almost a year ago, right? After that pump, or after they touched that, guys, a 300% gain, a 4x return, okay? That is not shabby at all. And I do think that we are going to see that again. Also, a reminder, guys, the Fed will give 5 official speeches today. Stay tuned. Jerome Powell is going to be probably dropping some very, very market-moving information out there today, okay? Also, President Trump now has 9.5% of his net worth in Bitcoin and crypto. That is very exciting, okay? I don't know about you guys, but I like to follow the money. Make sure you guys are following Turbo on X, right? Stay up to date with the latest information about the project family. I appreciate you guys tuning into my videos and finding it out from here, but I also want you guys to be educated investors. I want you guys to do your own research, do your own due diligence, because at the end of the day, I'm not a financial advisor, right? Who else sees Turbo doing this during December? Prepare for a crazy pump. I really do hope so. Again, if we are pumping into December, that is going to be very interesting. I think that I hope we peak out in the crypto cycle around October, November. That would be ideal. That would kind of fall in line with the predictions that I've always had. But again, if we go into 2026, that'll be very, very interesting. There are only 69 billion Turbo. That is very that is also very true, right? That is something that you guys need to consider, because a lot of these meme coin projects have over 100 billion sometimes, right? So just keep that in mind. Also, guys, a couple days away and we are in Only Up October. If you guys have been in crypto for a while, you know what that looks like. I mean, just look at the gains that you are expected to see if if patterns do rhyme, right? You can see since 2019 to 2024, we have only had green months in October, and I'm expecting that we see the same thing happen again. Listen, guys, if you did enjoy this video, then smash the like and subscribe and hit the bell notification. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Trying to get to 20,000 subscribers before the end of this year, guys. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care. Peace out.